Hello, this is Luke Reader, and I am doing my personal reflection on Module 8, Unit 11, Activity 1's video about Standards 1 through 10. So what went well in this video? I got everything I needed to get done, finished. It wasn't overly hard on the students, and there wasn't a lot of anything new for them to really learn from it either. It was definitely a review lesson. The hardest part for them was probably filling in the blanks about the lion, and I knew that the students couldn't do it on their own, or at least the majority of them, maybe one or two could. That's why I decided to do it um, as a group, so that way they could collaborate together and we could all, share ideas and whatnot. All the food they already knew. There might have been one word that was new. I don't remember which one, but again, it was easily explained, and their peers could explain what the food was. So it was just mostly just getting the slower students to pick up their pencils and write, and actually just do the work. That was the trickiest part. The content itself was not that hard. What needs to be improved? Definitely probably try and make review lessons like this a little bit more entertaining for the students. It's rather dry, just reviewing like this, but it is what it is. And then what will I do next? Well, I'll continue talking about food because that's what's in the book. But we've already gotten into more simple past tense and uncountable nouns and numbers from 1 to 50. And personally, I will definitely try to incorporate more things into the lessons. Like, for example, today's lesson was far better for me and the students. We had a lot more fun. We did something like a sword drill where I had like the students hold their books up and they had to find a certain page number quickly, just to get their numbers from 1 to 50. Things like that. The students were far more engaged with the lesson. So I kind of wish I recorded today's lesson instead of the one I did, but it is what it is. So areas of growth after clinical practice. I see more of a practical kind of teaching, thinking about more than just what is just on the page, but extracting more lesson ideas from the page and having better lessons because of it, and how to build off of that. Like going back into the food one, pretty much the entire page was about uncountable nouns, right? Uncountable foods like rice, milk, and so we talked about the differences and how we can use those in a sentence with using articles, right? And whatnot. So yeah, that was a far more entertaining lesson for them and also for me as well. And then my feedback from Standards 9 and 10. I received mostly positive feedback from Standard 9, and what I learned from it was that collaborating with my coworkers is essential for making a healthy work environment. Giving the students a break from like academic learning is essential, like what we did with the scavenger hunt. The students had a lot of fun searching the school to try and find answers for the clues for like the animals and whatnot. But then as for Standard 10, I have not received any feedback as of this recording, so I cannot comment on any of my feedback from that. And so that is my reflection on this lesson. Thank you.